Welcome back. All right, when it comes to major dental reconstruction, it's important to do your homework. With something like dental implants, a doctor's experience makes a huge difference. Joining me now is Dr. Matthew Naraki, prosthodontist at Jacksonville Dental Specialist, here to talk about what you should look for in full mouth solution. How you doing, Doc?
Good, good.
Good. We're talking, you want your patients before they come to you to get educated. You want them to look into some stuff.
Absolutely. It's important. It's always important as a patient, you know, with medicine and dentistry to be comfortable, to be educated so you can make your best decision. And with things such as dental implants and them being done by a wide variety of dentists, it's important to understand who's placing them, what's their experience, what's their background, what are their credentials. Are they a general dentist who took continuing education, sometimes weekend courses or whatnot, and now they're, you know, dabbling in it? Or are they actually recognized specialists that had formal education, spent 3 to 4 years, sometimes 6 years of hospital-based training beyond dental school that's recognized by the American Dental Association, who probably does in a week more than a lot of general dentists may do in a lifetime even. So it's important to weigh the pros and cons of all these. Not every case is super complex and all that, but it's important to understand who's doing this, because a dental implant is something that is going to be permanently placed in your jawbone and fused for all intents and purposes the rest of your life. So it's not always who's the absolute cheapest or who can do it the absolute quickest. It's important to understand that this is something that is being integrated into your body for the rest of your life.
Yeah, and sometimes you get what you pay for, so you want to be really, really careful there.
Absolutely.
Well, let's talk about that. As a prosthodontist, what are the types of cases that you're able to handle?
So as a prosthodontist, not a lot of people have heard of us. Even a lot of general dentists don't understand the full context of what we do, but we are kind of the general contractors. We're the quarterbacks of the whole dental community, and what we do is we plan, we help develop the vision for patients, oftentimes on very complex cases. Now that may be a single tooth, that may be a full set of teeth like the patients that you're seeing here, but we have to help develop that vision and then develop the process of getting from point A, from how they're starting, to point B, like the gentleman you see here, so where they have a full set of teeth that really develop the aesthetic, the functional, the health and comfort parameters of success that the patients have put. And that's where prosthodontists really excel beyond that of really any other specialty or general practitioner in dentistry.
All right, so you guys, the full mouth restorations you've done over the years are making a huge impact.
Yeah.
But talk about the difference in hybrids and why people should consider it.
Yeah, so a lot of what we do, and my partner Dr. Aguila and myself, is doing these advanced full mouth reconstructions for patients, and it really is a quality of life. This is big picture dentistry, and so there's a variety of ways to do that. What's unique and special about hybrids is it's not just a product, it's not just the teeth, it's a whole process, it's a whole methodology and philosophy of treating patients with dental implants and reconstructing and rebuilding their mouths. And it combines us being specialists with our unique credentials and trainings and familiarity and experience with the digital workflow, with advanced technologies like 3D CAT scans and x-rays, and then the advanced techniques with the laboratories that's all they do. So when you have a laboratory that is in essence a specialist, your clinicians are two specialists, and then you have high levels of advanced technology and digital workflow, it really makes the process go very smoothly so that it's predictable, it's safe, it's long lasting, and it hopefully achieves your goals. It's not necessarily about, can I be done in a day, can I do it all that? It's surprisingly, that technology has existed, and I personally have been experienced with that over 10 years ago with the immediacy and all that, but it simply can't offer the level of refinement that we have to achieve. We're working on a patient. At the end of the day, this is a person. It's not an inanimate countertop or butcher block or something. So we have to go through this refined process so that ultimately it's not just healthy, it's not just strong and long lasting, it achieves your goals, your individual goals.
Yeah, let's talk about the topic that obviously a lot of people think about when they're listening to this is, you know, the price. And right now with holiday shopping and those things, how do you talk to your patients about, look, you got to think long-term expenses.
Absolutely.
I know it's tough right now.
And this is tough, and all of us, myself included, we're all having to make, in this time of year, make decisions and make compromises. But the quality of your life, the health, the long-term vision and picture is very important. A lot of people, you know, they'll spend a lot of money on their car or their wheels or tires or what have you, but what they don't understand is the long-term health and well-being and life of their mouth and everything can have dramatic effects for years and decades to come. And so So we've done this on 80 and 90-year-olds. I have a lady who is 94, and she wished she would have known and done this sooner in life so she could improve her outcomes, so she can improve the quality of life. And ultimately, it only gets more expensive the longer you put it off. So,
yeah.
you know, it's just, we all have to make decisions.
Yeah, no, it's a long-term approach there. And,
Absolutely.
So the best way to get a hold of them, you guys, just check them out. I want to appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for the information. And always check out Jacksonville Dental Specialists for all of your needs there. And you can get more information from them by calling 904-460-4201 today to schedule a consultation, or you can visit their website to learn more. It's jacksonvillehighbridge.com.